Hello guys, what's up? Yeah, my boy Genie. I'm not feeling that fine, guys, but at least I have bring you back in your tutorial, guys. Today we are going to be configuring MTN Cameroon for free data lifetime, guys. So to do a small illustration, guys, let me hit on my browser for you to see that I have no data. As you see, guys, it won't work even though this on MTN. As you see, guys, it won't work. You see here, I'm offline, no internet connection. So now is the let me do a quick search for you guys to see. Let's type any trash. It won't work, guys. It won't work. We don't have data. So now the configuration is very simple because I have pre-built everything for you guys. All you have to do is to download HTTP injector from the Play Store. To download that, after downloading HTTP injector, this is the app. After downloading HTTP injector, you install in your phone, then you follow us, guys. So me, I will launch my HTTP injector, guys. Not now. As you see, guys, everything is already configured. Everything's okay. For me, everything's okay for me. I did everything already, guys. This is the configuration field that I will send to you guys. So you just have to hit on, sorry, you just have to hit here. You hit import, then you get the you locate the configuration field, which is here. Then you hit it, guys. That is it. So this configuration field guy is also working for Nestel Nest Social. So if you subscribe for Nestle Social bundle, that is Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, I think that is all. You can't browse the internet with it. You can't watch videos on YouTube. You can go to Instagram, only WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. So if you have that bundle, guys, you are nice to go. So you can just follow the same step here, guys. Then you say get everything set up, and then you hit on connect. And when you hit on connect, the magic appear, guys. Now you just wait for a few seconds for it to connect, and everything is connected. As you see here, you see the VPN icon, and let me show the log, guys. Yeah, you see the log. Yeah, you see VPN connected. As you see, guys, our VPN is connected. Let us go back to the browser. You see back online with 0 MB, guys. That is crazy, but let's fork it, guys. Let's fork it, guys. It can be a bit slow, a little bit slow, depending on the server you select. So you can do that after. You can browse and get a beta server or something like that, guys. Yeah. Let's wait, guys. I'm sorry, let me try to change this server, guys. It's not that sweet. Or let's reconnect and try that on Facebook. Okay, guys, connected. Yeah, you see, guys, it's working perfectly. You see, it's working perfectly, guys. Yeah, so let's now go back to our browser. Yeah, you see, guys, it's working. So if it doesn't work for you, just disconnect and reconnect, or you change the server. And the server is selected by default. I selected that, guys. That's the best server, so you can just follow up, guys, to do this, and that's okay. So I will leave the link of my YouTube channel and the Telegram channel in the description, guys, and WhatsApp channel for you to follow us. And if you are not a member, you follow that link, then you request the config file, then you just import it, guys. So that is it. That is all about this video, guys, and thank you for watching me, subscribing me, and supporting me, guys. I'll be back very soon, inshallah. Thanks.